Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is EgboJ20 and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the SONY DSC-H300 camera. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos and like this video as well. So this DSLR camera here was made in the year 2014. I'm not a photography expert, but I've used this camera for like a week plus or more. So forgive me if this review is not the best, but like this is just gonna be a quick review based on how I've used this camera. And also let me just show you the specs on the screen right now. You can pause the video to look at it. So this camera here runs with 4 AA batteries, and you have many modes on this camera. You have a scene selection mode, and look at some of the scenes available that you can use to take pictures. So the camera also has intelligent auto mode and program auto mode, which just give you automatic settings, and these settings are best for people who are beginners when it comes to photography. So you have manual auto mode, and in manual auto mode you have to adjust things like the ISO and shutter speed. These modes are for people who know photography very well. Should I just say the experts in photography? You also have panorama mode on this camera as well. At this point we already know what panorama is because we have these on our smartphone, so there's no need of really explaining how panorama works. Then you have the movie mode where you can record videos in this camera. So bear it in mind that this camera here is an entry-level / budget camera, and this camera was basically made for those who are beginners in photography or who have a lower budget in mind when it comes to buying a camera. Okay, so let me just show you some of the pictures and videos I was able to take with this camera, both indoor and outdoor. So let me just show it to you right now. Okay, this is the audio and video quality of the DSC-H300 camera. Hope you like it. Yeah. So let me just tell you some things I like about this camera. So what I like about this camera is the fact that it's compact and it's very nice. Like the quality of videos and pictures is very nice, and I like the fact that this has different modes to take different types of pictures and videos. And I also like the fact that this camera was made for people who don't really fully understand photography, and the fact that for people who are like first timers in photography, this is like for people like me and maybe some of you viewers watching this video. But let me tell you some things I don't like about this camera. First of all, that there's no external microphone port. Like someone like me who likes doing YouTube to get a better audio quality, I would like it if I could attach an external microphone to this. But it looks like if you want to have better audio quality, what you would have to do is that you'd have to have a recorder and record your voice while filming. So one thing I also don't like is the fact that recording videos here, they're capped at 720p. Like that's the maximum quality that you could record a video with, and I would like if this camera here had 1080p. But what can you expect from a budget slash entry level camera like this? And my worst thing about this camera is the fact that this camera uses AA batteries, and I don't like that I use AA battery because the AA batteries, they keep on dying very fast because this camera consumes a lot of power. And you might either have to see yourself buying batteries or using a battery charger most of the time to charge your AA batteries. And that's something I really don't like. Like I had to buy 2 packs of Duracell batteries just for the purpose of making this video, and it's just really annoying when you had to keep on buying batteries just to use this camera. And one disadvantage that this camera has is the fact that there's no built-in Wi-Fi. So the thing is that many cameras of nowadays have built-in Wi-Fi, meaning that you can connect the camera to your laptop or mainly to your smartphone and start sharing videos and pictures, and even to control the camera from there. But I don't really see this as an issue because you can just remove the memory card, copy videos and everything, and then share it like from there. So if you see that as an issue, you can comment below. But overall, in the end of the day, I don't hate this camera. This camera is actually very nice. As I said before, this camera was made for those who don't really understand photography fully, that these are for beginners. And this camera is also good in the sense that you can actually use this camera to make YouTube videos or to vlog, and you can attach this camera to a tripod or a ring light if you want to take some nice pictures or videos. So this camera is good for people who are on a budget, as I said. So this camera is not bad, it's just that everything has its advantages, have its disadvantages. So if you want to get this camera, go ahead and get it. I recommend this camera for people who are starting out, like for photography or YouTube or something. Anyway, that's all for today's video. So there'll be a link in the description if you want to know more about this camera, like more of the specs and everything else about the camera. There'll be a link in the description just if you want to know more about it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos, and comment below and like this video as well. Hope I see you guys next time. Peace out.